How to do paid promotion on LinkedIn. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a paid promotion on LinkedIn. Now, the first thing you want to note is that if you have a profile like this, you will not be able to do so. What you need is a page. Now, if you haven't created a page, it's very, very easy. You can create a page on LinkedIn, and this is what your page will look like. Mine is not completely set up yet, but you can now actually make a post. So you're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to find the tab that says start a post, and you're going to click in on that. Now, I've already just prepared something small. It says book your summer shoot with us today, and that is a photo shoot to be exact. And you can add emojis, you can add some media, either a video or an image. It's best to add an image or a video or some sort of media when you are trying to create a promotion. Then you can also celebrate an occasion, and there are a bunch of other options. You can create a poll or add a document. Right, so now that we have created our post, we're going to tap on post, and here our post is now available. It says post successful, and it says view post. We're just going to close this for now, and if you go down, you can see over here it says book your summer shoot with us today. So on the top right hand side, you will see a boost button. Now, once you tap this boost button, it'll basically give you an opportunity to create the audience that you want to boost this post to. Right, so on the right hand side, we have a forecasted results, and it gives you your target audience size as well as your total spend as well as your impressions. This is something that you want to keep tabs on while you're creating this paid promotion, so that you know exactly what your target audience size is as well as what you are spending, and then also what you are gaining with regards to your impressions over here. All right, so the first thing on the left hand side, we have to select an objective. So the objective here is either increase awareness of your post, or you can get engagement on your post. Now, increasing awareness is like brand awareness, so you get more impressions on your post, but then again, the engagement on your post, that gets more clicks and social actions such as likes, shares, comments, and follows on your post. Now, depending on what it is that you want, this is where you get to choose that. For now, I'm going to leave it on increase awareness, and then you get to select your audience. Now, either your audience is profile based. Now, this reaches members by their seniority, their job function, and their industry. Or you can do interest based, which reaches members by the groups that they're a part of. Then we have the LinkedIn audience templates, which is a list of custom audiences which you can choose from, which is great. And then if you have any saved audiences, you can go in over here and you can choose your saved audiences. So I've now chosen the LinkedIn audience template, and then on the right hand side there's a window that opens and it says select audience. So we're going to go in over here, and you can see that there are a bunch of different audiences that you can select over here. So I'm going to select nurses because they sort of seem like the people that need a summer photo shoot. Right, the next thing you want to do is you want to include some locations. So specifically, if you're a photographer and you're in one country, you cannot offer photography services to somebody in another country unless you plan on traveling and paying for those costs, or somehow, including them in your quote. So your location is important. You want to make sure that you're choosing locations that are accessible to you. Then the audience profile language, we want to keep it at a language that, of course, you understand. Otherwise, communication is just going to be difficult. Then for advanced targeting, you can visit your campaign manager. You can do the rest over there. The advanced options here, you have the automatic audience expansion, and this increases the reach of your campaign by showing your ads to audiences with similar attributes to your target audience, right? So that can be good. And then also you can include the LinkedIn audience network, which places ads on trusted third-party publishers where LinkedIn audiences engage. So these are third-party publishers that you can actually have your post boosted to. Then we're going to set the start and the end date. So we want to maybe just set this over here. We can just change the date over here. The start date must be today or in the future, and then your end date over here. So your start date, end date, that's when your post or your boosted post will start, and that's when it will end right over there. Then you want to set either your budget. Let's have a look over here. Your lifetime budget, let's not set it so high. Let's just make it like $100. That's fine. Oh, it needs to be $110. Okay, so we're gonna make it $110. That's no problem at all. And of course, this really does depend on what your actual budget is. So you must make sure that you know what your budget is before you actually put this amount in right over here. Right, then your ad, it's telling me my ad will run for 11 days starting from the 19th of October, and you'll spend no more than $110. So, depending on how you distribute the budget over the time period that your post is being boosted, these statistics over here, that will all change. So then you can now select the account to have it billed to. So I'm just going to go Tyler John's first ad account. Okay, so I've already started that, that's no problem. And then on the bottom right hand side, you're going to go to continue to payment, and right over here now you are going to if you haven't already added your billing information, you're going to have the opportunity to add your billing information, and then you can actually start boosting your post. So if you haven't added your billing information, this is what your actual page will look like. So now you can enter in your card details and all the other details that you need over there, and then you can tap on the add card over here on the bottom left hand side. And once you've done that, you can tap on the boost button on the bottom right over here, and your post will then be boosted. And that is how you do a paid promotion on linkedin.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you did, don't forget to show your support. Hit us with a like and subscription, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers for now.